The fuel sender in the tank didn't seem to be registering anymore on the gauge. Several times we ran out of fuel because we didn't really know how much fuel was in the tank. So assumed we'd have to pull the tank in order to take it out and replace it. The discoloration isn't rust. It's the original undercoating spray. The tank is in very good condition. Here's the gas tank, and just getting ready to put it back in and repair a few hoses, replace a few small hoses, and use some hose clamps. These are the rubber grommets. This one's the one that goes for the fuel filler on the side, and there's 3 of these for the various hoses and vents of the emission system. I wanted to get one of these because there are no frictional parts to wear out, and it was under $20 from eBay. Even though it was from China, it did arrive in only 10 days. However, it turns out you need a hole saw to cut into the tank, and that could be dangerous with one that has had gasoline. So for the time being, I decided to fix the original. You'd have to drill a hole right here to the left of the original sender to insert the new style sender into 150 millimeter depth. So for now, I just decided to reuse the original sender unit as depicted here and put it in. After cleaning it carefully, it started working again. There's a couple things to be aware of. Before you put the tank up, make sure these lines, the rubber pieces on these lines are there, otherwise you won't be able to reach up and reconnect things once it's installed. Also, the other thing to remember is that the tank here has to be installed above that lip there that goes across, or you won't be able to get it in at the back. This is underneath where the tank goes, and as you can see, there's all kinds of hoses and controls and rods to control the engine at the back, and for the radiator hoses to run up to the front where the radiator is. There's that front lip. Okay. That's the filter and the fuel pump. That's the original fuel pump because it's still covered with the original undercoating. And the return line. The tank has to go under that edge there first, before it's attached at the back, before it's lifted at the back. Okay, so the tank's back in, and all these lines can be accessed afterwards. Here's the ones on the driver's side. The final thing is to put the gas cap back on. Have them color coded just so I know which one.